Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share game Steam with other family account. To start, we open Steam. There, from the Steam menu, you will click on Settings. After that, in the Family section, enable the switch, authorize family sharing on this device. Momentarily, you will not see any user. Now close the current Steam session. You will log in with another account registered on that device. When accessing from the Steam menu, click on Settings again. Here in Family, activate the switch. Authorize family sharing on this device. Now, after a moment, you can see the available accounts in the Suitable Accounts section. You will only enable the switch in the names of the account with which you will share Steam games. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.